Hey guys, Joey here. So I just wanted to very quickly cover some of these stocks that there could be more downside. So you just want to be careful in case you're holding on to any of them, right? So these are the stocks where there were some targets drawn to the downside recently, all right, and no doubt targets have already played out, but there could still be more weakness, right? So you just want to be careful, right? So this first counter right over here is called MemTech, right? MemTech International. So it kind of broke that $1.20 support a few weeks back, and even that $1.10 they managed to hold. It came all the way down, right? So just last week it kind of approached that $1 level that's been holding since like October last year, all right, and there were some signs of weakness. So where we had some targets that were drawn to the downside, right? So let's take a look at what is happening right now. So this is MemTech right over here, and over the past few days we have indeed seen it broke that $1 support level, right? So it kind of closed at about 0.955 on Tuesday, all right? So there could be more downside as per the targets drawn last week, all right? And the downside move can be towards that 90 cents level, and if that don't hold as well, we can probably hit to about 80 cents, all right? Or maybe even 75, right? So this is the counter you want to be careful if you're holding on to long position, because this $1 level has been holding, all right, since like October last year, but just over the past few days it just cannot hold on anymore, and sellers really take control and came back to sell down and break this support, right? So there are some signs of the trend pointing down as well, in terms of the downtrend playing out. So just want to be careful if you're holding on to discounted MemTech. So let's take a look at one more counter called Hy-P, right? Also in the technology sector, right? Just about about 1 week or about 2 weeks ago, right? We saw Hy-P kind of approach that $1.10 or resistance level, right? So it's pretty much in a downtrend. I mean, we have the moving averages all pointing down, and it kind of approached that $1.10 level. So there were some downside targets that were drawn to the downside to $1 and even to like 90 cents, right? So that was some of the targets that were drawn about 2 weeks back, when the market was not that bearish. But over the past 1-2 weeks, the market kind of weakened, and we could see that these targets kind of played out a bit. But I think there could be a bit more weakness, right? So let's take a look at what's happening right now to Hy-P. So this is Hy-P right here, all right, and you can see that it kind of rejected that $1.10 resistance level, which I talked about, all right, and the target kind of played out to the downside, and we are now currently actually right at the target at about 90 cents, right? So just today on Tuesday, it kind of closed at 90 cents, right? So the target kind of played out to the downside, right? But the thing is, you just want to be careful, because this target could be revised lower. I mean, now we're right at this 90 cents support. You can see that right over here, just about last year in July, in June, we were also kind of supported above that 90 cents level. So we're pretty much back to this 90 cents level, right? So if there are more bearish price actions, right, below that 90 cents support level, we can pretty much hit even lower towards 80 cents or even back to that 70 cents level, right? So you just want to be careful, because the trend is still pretty much weak for now. It's still pointing down for now, all right, and we are right at this support here. I mean, the target is kind of played out, but it can be revised lower, all right, if this 90 cents were to break down, just like what we have seen when it broke that $1.10 a few weeks back, right? So just want to be careful for this counter called Hy-P. I mean, if the market were to weaken further, all right, that's where we can see selling pressure in more of these technology stocks like Hy-P, MemTech that I've covered just now. So yes, these are the two stocks, right? Hy-P and MemTech, all right, that you definitely want to be careful if you're holding on to long positions, because there could be a potential for it to push down lower, especially for Hy-P if that 90 cents were to break down. Okay, so just to share very quickly, you can also think about riding the downside of some of these counters, that can potentially hit down, rather than just keep on buying along the way. All right, so this is how you can do it using this thing called CFD. We do have some trading on how to do it, so you have no idea what is it about, just get in touch with us. All right, so think about riding the downside rather than just keep on buying the stock when it comes down and lower. It can be really dangerous, right? So think about how you can ride the downside. Okay, so if you like this video, right, go away to like and share and comment below some of the stocks that you'd like to be covered as well. All right, so that I'll try to find time to do videos like these to kind of share more with you some of those stocks that you want to be careful of, and some of those stocks that could be a potential rebound where you can look at it as well. All right, so if you're still not a client of mine, all right, definitely want to get in touch with us and find out why you need to be one, so that you can get ideas like this a bit faster, right? Faster than some of these videos that you're watching right now, and also faster than some of these ideas that we share on my blog. All right, so that's how you can get these videos or these top ideas a bit faster. So go ahead, get in touch with us. All right, just drop us an email or go to our Facebook page and send us a message, and my team will get back to you as soon as possible. Right, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Joey here, take care.